Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail Classic that I want to show you. This bike comes with a 103 motor, 6-speed transmission. Got a set of Vance & Hines long shot exhaust added to it here. Soft leather bags, look like they're in good shape. They do make a bag stiffener for these bags if you wanted to put them back into some kind of shape other than the soft leather look there. And all the studs on it. Good tire here on the back. Got a little ding right here in the paint. Passenger backrest. Detachable windshield looks good. Nice and clean. Bike's got good miles. It's 5,854 miles. Sounds good through those long shots. Good tire on the front. I see just a couple of tiny little bitty rock pecks there on that front fender. Bike sounds real good. We ran it through the shop and checked it out. Service safety checked and inspected, so she is ready to rock and roll. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Any of our sales guys can tell you all about this bike. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties too. Give us a call toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.